फर्स्ट डे तो हम सरप्राइज करने वाले रू को कि हम जा रहे हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए. Let's see how it's going to be. It's his first day, so we are very excited for that. Let's go. Two people are walking. Dun, 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 dun. Going to take rickshaw now. One rickshaw is coming into our way. Let's see if we are going to catch it or not. Da, go catch that. Go. Excited. गाइस अभी हम लोग स्कूल पहुंच गए और अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं रू का आने का. We thought we reached in time, but we were actually late and we were just running to see nephew's first day. And this is my Didi, nephew's mom. You know, she was just guiding us the way. Actually, we didn't know that we were so late, you know, like we came so early and all. This is Ru's father, he's also going. And then, damn, all the cute little cuties and dudes there and their parents, you know, we all were like, and this is my Ru. Hi, Ru, what's up? What's up? He was eating something on the first day. Nice. So this was the classroom which is decorated with so much happiness. It was like the first day, all the kids seems very excited and all. And then finally it was the time for a play and all these kids were clueless. They were like, oh my god, first time we were in class and now we are going to play. So all of the parents were also included. It was fun to watch how this, like, nowadays people are, you know, encouraging kids to watch and play the games. It was not in our time. And this was Ru. He was like actually trying to find his own place. And then it was a photo shoot time, and this is my favorite moment, I swear to god. They did play it and then they came back in the classroom, which was fun to watch because every, you know, we were trying to connect with all of the other kids even though we were the masses. It was so much fun, I swear to god. This girl, she was trying to make friendship with my nephew, but my nephew didn't seem to like her at the first place and she felt heartbroken. No, not in that way, because we were literally trying that he would, you know, make friendship with this girl, but obviously he's our nephew, he's not the easy one. And then this guy, you know, the strong guy came. He was so cute, the guy in purple, like he was trying so hard to impress us. And then this girl came and she was like, you know what, you give me and all of this. But my Ru was like, no, I am also playing. And then you guys saw, and she was literally, she went to complain about my Ru. Dude, how the heck she can do that? It was wholesome. You also have to say something.
Yes,
It was wholesome. मजा आ गया. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि रूका नहीं, वो actually हमारा, you know.
Yeah, and those teachers were like so nice to
Hey,
us.
that's so cool, यार. है ना?
Yeah. And those teachers were like so nice to us. You know, they were like, oh, you're the Masis and stuff. We're like, oh god, it was so enjoying.
We were like
you know,
so
we
glad,
met like
you know.
all the students over there, all the little kids. They're like so cute. I love kids, man.
ये side में रोक दो uncle. Bye guys. See you.